maybe he's got his transponder. This ain't the way to go. All in all, not a bad night. We loaded the car up in the trailer one piece, and grateful for that.
Raising my hand, jumping up and down like a fool. I stuck out my chest and I showed her my Attica Raceway t-shirt. And at the top of my lungs I yelled, I got dirt. I got dirt. Yeah, I got dirt. I got dirt. Attica Raceway dirt. I got dirt. Yeah, I got dirt.
Yo, we're working on the car. We got some new seat belts we got to put in because these seat belts that are in here are, see that they say June 2019, so they're, if we go to Eldora, Mansfield, places like that, they're going to check to see if our safety gear is up to snuff, so we got to put some new belts in. These got a little strap right here, and they loop through this bar here. So the top belts are shoulder straps. We got to loop them through this little metal widget here, and that's how they're fastened to the race car right there. And then the bottom lap belts are just bolted in. Bottom lap belts are just bolted into the car. And then we got a crotch strap that bolts on down below on the floor pan. Alright, I got the seat belts, the top ones put in, shoulder straps. Now I just gotta unhook the old ones, a couple of 1/2-inch bolts underneath, and bolt the new ones on. We'll have some new belts put in. Well, not a whole lot to do on the race car. Without racing this weekend, we saved a little money. We got to relax a little bit. So there's not a whole lot to do on the race car, right?
No, just look things over, put some new parts on, and kind of relax.
Relax, chill by the pool.
Chill by the pool. Pet dogs, catch up, visit. Yeah, just the typical stuff.
Have a little fun. Helmet's dirty. I gotta put some cleaner on the shield and put some tear-offs on it. Third quick, according to the father-in-law, that in hot laps we were third quick. But I wasn't really pushing it. That's usually when I do my best, so it'll be alright. Starting a bag of a heat race too. That's okay too. We'll be alright. We got some good running cars in front of us in this heat race. We start 8th. Only top 4 redraw for the feature starting spot, so just gotta try and pick our way through here and do our best. That was a good race. Clean race. Mikey kept chopping me down, but he ran a good line. We were side by side with Mikey at the checker. It was close, I don't know.
They gave it to him by a fender is how they announced it.
Maybe he's got his transponder moved forward. Yeah, it was close. Like, it was a good race. We didn't have to touch each other. Both in a redraw spot, so I didn't push the issue. I went high down here, 3 and 4 one lap. I went high and I looked behind me to see where they were, so we had a little bit of space in there, I think.
Yeah.
And hiring and forward.
Yeah.
Good race. Car feels good. Just scraping a little bit of mud. We start 6th. Some good cars start in front of us. Think some good cars start behind us too, probably. We're trying to get the car to where we can run top and bottom if we have to. But looks like turns 3 and 4 is going to be pretty good right around the top. The cushion's not going away. There looks like there's some moisture. Can't really tell 1 and 2, but I don't think there's much of cushion down there. It'll be more like a momentum around 1 and 2, but 3 and 4 are going to have to run around the top. So we're trying to make the car maneuverable to where we can run anywhere, ideally.
Lights out on the speedway. Here we go. It's time. On Central Ohio Farmers Columbus Equipment Night. 25 laps of distance for the Fremont
We had a third place car.
Jimmy
Third place driver. They, Doug and Rusty checked out there. I don't know, we were just holding on at the end. The car got tight at the end. Didn't want to turn, steer around the cushion.
Road number 2, former track champion, a couple wins here this year.
Markham almost got you there when you
Yeah, I
went to the
seen him. I
bottom.
screwed up on the last lap, and I looked down. I seen him there, so I had momentum on my side.
Yeah, but when you went to the bottom on them laps towards the end, he was on the high side.
Yeah,
He was really gaining on you.
it felt really slow on the bottom when I did that. Like, this ain't the way to go. Hey, what's up, everybody? Morning after. Just sitting here drinking some coffee, contemplating, going over what happened last night, and started 6th, finished 3rd in the feature. All in all, not a bad night. We loaded the car up in the trailer one piece. I'm grateful for that. I want to mention we got t-shirts for sale on our website. Still, we got sizes youth small through adult 3X. Go to ryanmissler.com. I'll drop a link below, and you can go order your shirt if you want one. We appreciate it. It helps us out, helps support the race team. Also, got a little advertisement for you. If you guys like coffee, if we got some coffee drinkers out there, I'm going to drop a link below for 15% off of my favorite coffee, which is Iron Bean coffee. They roast it the day before. When you order it, they roast it. They ship it, so it's been roasted the day before you get it. So it's awesome coffee. I'm going to drop a link below. Click that link and you'll get 15% off. My favorite brew that they got is called Integrity. It's a dark roast and it's delicious. So make sure to go check those guys out. Link below. Subscribe, like the videos. Appreciate you guys tuning in every week. Here's Iron Bean coffee. I almost forgot. It's a coaster they sent me with my shipment. So appreciate everybody. We will talk to you this week. I'm gonna do some shop footage again, and we're going to race Mansfield in the Dirt Million Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So really looking forward to that. See everybody.